Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show y'all this really quick video on how I do my high buns. Super easy, super quick, and it's one of my favorite hairstyles to do. So I had washed my hair, and then after I washed it, I just put in 6 plaits and then put in a hair tie at the base of my hair where the roots are so it could lay a little flatter. And I'm just taking some oil and putting on my hands while I take apart my braids. So if you want your hair to stay like curly in your bun, then just try not to rake your fingers through your hair that much so that your bun will still have that curly look. And I'm just doing a really quick length check, as y'all can see, but I'm just going to go ahead and take out the other side as well. And this is what it looks like. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but trust me, we're gonna get it right. So what I like to do is I just like to start the process of moving my hair upwards into where I want my bun to be. I'm just trying to move all my hair up towards the top of my head. And I like to take a water bottle and just spray a little bit on the back of my hair and on the front of my hair. And now I am just using a curl smoothie to put on my hair, make sure that it's nice and moisturized before I put it in this bun. And of course, y'all know that I like to lay my edges down. So I'm just putting some edge control on all over my hair, and then I'm just going to brush that up into how I want my edges to lay. So if you want your swoops, this is the time to do it before you put your hair in the bun. So right before I put my bun in, I go ahead and bring all of my hair to the top again. I just want to make sure all of it is up and nothing is out of place at all. So I have this super stretchy headband that I've had for the longest. I got it from Walmart, 2 in a pack, 88 cents. I can't remember the name brand. So I put it on and I just bring the back up into where I want it to stop. And then I go ahead and cross it in the front, bring it back over my hair, make sure all my hair is through, and then I just go ahead and pull it a little bit in the back, and then I cross it over. You didn't see that part, but I already crossed it over, and then I just take all of my hair and put it back in the front. But instead of letting my hair out, I just go ahead and tuck my hair under. I hope that made sense. But that is it. So if you need some bobby pins to secure it, go ahead and put some bobby pins in, shape it to how you want it. That's what I'm doing right now. And if your edges got messed up a little bit, go ahead and fix it. But y'all, that is it. Super quick, super easy. This hairstyle is perfect for failed perm rods, failed twist out, failed braid outs, any failed style. This bun is perfect for you. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you will try this. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And make sure to share this with a friend. I'll see you all on the next video.